pardon me, twerk song, geek, fuck it up, bitch. Oh, you a free, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this glueless 613 wig. I did dye this wig myself, so I will link a video up in the eye above. That video that I'm going to link up there, do not put the toner on the roots. In the video you will see I put the toner on the roots. That's a different wig. With this one I did the same exact steps, but I did not put the toner on the roots, because what the toner does is going to tone down that brown, but we want the brown to be this dark. So don't put the toner on the roots, just put it on the hair. So today's wig is provided by Westkiss Hair. This is their 613 24-inch 180% density. This is their straight wig. This is how it looks. I really like this wig. It's very beautiful. It does have some shedding to it, just so you know. The total for this wig is, I got a medium cap by the way, it is $343.92. so that's how much this wig costs. I will have all the links down below so you guys can check them out. And as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup because I want to show you the true blend of the lace against my skin. I don't really want to have makeup on to kind of like make it look better or something like that. I just want it to be plain and laced to my skin. Alright guys. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig is from Westkiss Hair. So this is their packaging. The wig just came in the regular standard bag like it always does. They gave you some cards. There's information cards, and this was like their Christmas card thing. Elastic band, wig cap, and satin bag. This is the wig. The wig came in a regular 613 color. I wish I took a video of the color so you guys could see, but I didn't. But it just came in the regular standard 613 toned down yellow, so you can wear the wig in that color. I toned the hair to a beige blonde and I colored the roots ash brown. So I'm just gonna put on this. I'm gonna put this on my head so you can kind of see. This is how it's looking on my head. I do have a video before showing you how I got this color. The only thing about that video is that the hair is shorter and I put the toner on the roots, but with this wig I did not put the toner on the roots, so the roots are very, very brown. So I'm gonna link that video up in the eye above over here so you guys can check it out. I didn't put the toner down on the roots, so it makes it look more natural, I feel, with my skin tone. So this is how that's looking. Tell me if you guys want me to make an updated video on how I get this color, because I do the same thing every single time to achieve this color. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my ear tabs. I'm also gonna link that video in the eye above so you can check it out. I feel like it's repetitive, but I wanted to come and show you guys this hair. This is their 24-inch 613 wig. I'm gonna get up so you guys can see the length. It's all the way down here and it's very full. This wig is very full, so I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music because this is very repetitive. Or do you guys want me to talk? Maybe I should talk. Cut the baby hairs down some because it's too much. Y'all, why did I just got hip to the freaking Starbucks trend, like the Starbucks trying followers Starbucks and stuff. I just got hip to that type of video. I've been binge watching it and I'm like, dang, this was like a whole year ago. How did I not know about this? I think I want to go in and add a little bit more foundation to the lace. Thumbnail. All right. I'm so weird. Okay, so I'm gonna cut off the ear tabs. I think I'm gonna do this wig glueless. I'm freaking starving. I ordered some Caribbean food, so comment down below if y'all want to see a Caribbean food mukbang, and I'm gonna do a story time on my freaking rook piercing horror story, because that shit was a movie. I literally have so many saved snap videos of my freaking root piercing, because I don't know, this bitch was on crack. Ain't no way. The lady that pierced my freaking ear, she's so money hungry. Okay, this is sitting around my ear pretty good. I tightened the elastic band all the way to the tightest loop, and I'm just gonna put it on like that. Go ahead and hot comb down the middle part, because I want to do a middle part. I think I want to do a middle part. Let me see. Oh, I did not plug this wig. So yeah. I feel like I like blonde hair with middle parts, so I like to go in with some hairspray. Just spray a little bit, comb it through, and then hot comb. And that's gonna make sure that the top of your hair is good. And then make sure you take some of the hair right here and hot comb it going back, because if you don't, people are gonna see your white thread for your tracks. So you see how that kind of covers the thread? And comb back. Alright, now I'm gonna spray the top. Use a lot of hairspray for these flyaways. I noticed a lot of blonde wigs have these flyaways at the top, so just spray it down, because you don't really need the top of your wig to like do anything. So spray it with some hairspray and smooth it down with your hands. And then you can go in with some concealer, either your shade or a shade lighter. I think I want to use a shade lighter. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shade 12, the light one. Right, and then I'm gonna use the back of the comb, like Erica J said, use the back of the comb and smush it in. And look how good this looks. I think it looks pretty good. Thumbs up this video if you think this part looks really good. Since this is the my glueless blonde wig, all I'm gonna do is use this lace, or if you don't have lace, you could kind of just pull this. Then I'm gonna part out the area that should be the sideburns and hold that down flat like so. Do that on both sides. Also do recommend that you guys don't wear makeup when you're putting on your blonde wig, just to make sure that you won't really dirty your hair. I mean, you can, but just make sure that you're not dirtying your hair. So either clip the hair out of the way and put it back here or something, and don't do too much baby hairs, because the color of, or just wipe around right here to get rid of any makeup on your forehead, because it's gonna mess up the blonde wig really bad. I'm gonna use this little scissors to do zigzag. Okay, I'm too lazy. Gonna just use eyebrow razor.
Show me your loving. Auntie, show me your loving. My gorillas, them chillin' on the highway, so you know it's a robbery. Oh, you are by my side, I can promise to change my ways. If I get a drop on a nigga, will you help me find my way? Shawty roll with a stalliona, in the Saudi like a summer. Paris on my vision be paranormal. I be chillin' in the bars like I'm Obama. Hey, call me the stalliona. Bro.
This is how the lace is looking, mad good. I don't want to spray too much.
Me, me. I got niggas who shooting life expectancies. When I'm talking money, man, I'm talking car.
I feel like cutting it in sections makes your life easier.
Please, but I had your mama, your auntie, I know your groupies, yeah, yeah. Girl, yeah, we come into play, yeah, yeah, no way, yeah, yeah, oh, yeah. Show me your love.
The lace is literally melting flawlessly. Thumbs up this video if you like how this melt is going so far.
Oh, you are by my side, I can promise to change my way. Oh.
And this is the last little section. Hold it down, spray it, smooth it through.
Cause I know I'm not boy, there's got a thing on.
Spray a baby hairs brush with some hairspray and just swoop these hairs out of the way.
There's got a thing on him, and one of us say gotta go. Ain't bad, take off your hoodie. Girl, you want a piece of the cookie jar? Ring up my boy for the zubi. Wait, honey, wanna play with?
Stop. I'm gonna tie it down for like 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just tying down the top area because that's the area I'm most concerned about.
Oh, yeah. Show me your love.
Alright, you guys, and after you tie it down, it should be like this. So that would just make sure that it pushed that lace into your skin. Spray some more hairspray at the top, smooth it out with my hands, and we're done. Also, make sure you're following my Instagram because I do have wig sales on my story sometimes. And my Instagram is private right now because I wanted to make it private, so it's private. Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video or learned anything from it, please do not forget to give me a comment down below so I know that you enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications because I'm trying to post more frequently. I haven't been posting on Saturdays and Sundays, but don't judge me. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and sometimes I post Saturday and Sunday. So just turn on the post notification and you will be notified when I post, alright? And leave me a comment down below of the brown skin girl with the blonde hair. Y'all know what emoji that is? Comment that down below. So you can do blonde hair with no makeup. I feel like this is super cute. Yeah, this is basically the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Shawty, don't you leave for the night, no, you don't know my name. Lately all these bitches want is my fame.
Show me your loving, auntie, show me your loving. My gorillas, them chillin' on the highway, so you know it's a robbery. Oh, you are by my side, I can promise to change my way. Oh, if I get a drop on a nigga, will you help me find my way? Oh, Shanty roll with a stallion.